On this week's nutrition tip, I'm going to be showing you how to make a healthy after-school smoothie. The ingredients you'll need to make the strawberry banana smoothie are 1 cup of non-fat yogurt, half a cup of orange juice, 1 banana, and 6 frozen strawberries. Yogurt is rich in calcium and protein, which can help maintain a healthy lifestyle. Orange juice has a high percentage of vitamin C, which can boost your immunity. Bananas are great to eat 1 hour before or after a workout since they provide nutrition such as potassium, fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin A. Lastly, strawberries are not only delicious, but they add an excellent source of vitamin C and vitamin K. To make this smoothie, simply blend all of your ingredients together for 20 seconds and scrape down the sides. Then blend again for an additional 15 seconds. Now you have an amazing strawberry banana smoothie to enjoy for a quick and easy snack.
Broward Teen News was brought to you by ProSound and Video.